Good day, guys. Question 4, 2014 UTME. The best measure of dispersion to determine the tallest tree in the forest is. The best measure of dispersion to determine the tallest tree in a forest is option A, variance, option B, standard deviation, option C, mean deviation, option D, we have the range. This question we have before us relates to measures of dispersion under the basic tools of economic analysis in economics. And you can see that measure of dispersion measures the variation or deviation of numbers from the mean value of a data. And measures of dispersion consist of range, mean deviation, variance, and standard deviation. Let's take a look at the options. Option A has to do with variance. Variance is referred to as the square of standard deviation. So if you square your standard deviation, you have your variance. Option B talks about standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of variance. So the square root of variance gives standard deviation. Numbers, option C is mean deviation. Mean deviation shows the variation of numbers from the mean value of the data. The final option is range. Range is the difference between the highest and lowest number in a set of data. And it is important to know that range is the only measure of dispersion that you don't need the mean value of the data to determine it. So let's pick two wrong options from the four options we have. You find out that option A is wrong, totally wrong, and option B is totally wrong. So we are left with option C and D, where we have the one correct option and one wrong option. So the correct option here is the range. The reason is that range considers the highest number and lowest number. And if you look at the question says the best measure of dispersion to determine the tallest tree in a forest, which means the tallest tree is the highest number, height. We are looking at the tree with the highest height. So therefore, you are comparing highest height with the lowest height to determine the tallest tree in the forest. Therefore, the correct option is range. Thank you.